Welcome to Tasker Terry Assembly. In today's video I'm going to show you how to assemble a couple of these IKEA drawers. This is going to be the same whether it's the glass front drawers or the regular wooden front drawers. Today I'm going to assemble two of them for you, and then I'll show you how to put them into the wardrobes. This video is going to be relatively quick, but hopefully it'll help you if you're stuck on some part of this installation. First step is to put in the cam screws, 4 of them. And that's what they should look like. Make sure they're flush. You don't want to over tighten them, but you don't want to not put them in far enough either. That's going to lead to problems when you go to put the cam locks in. So we put 2 wooden dowels as well. Now we're going to get the drawer bottom. And you want to put it on an angle like this. Put it towards the middle, a little bit of pressure on the bottom, and stand it straight up. Should be as easy as that. We're going to slide the side of the drawer base down into the groove. Same with the other side. You may have to tap the bottom over to the left or right if you can't quite line that up yet. And the cam locks. If you have issue with the cam locks, then those cam screws probably aren't in far enough, or you've put them in too far. Now with the back of the drawer, start it on an angle like this, and once you lift it up, you'll feel it click into place. And then we're going to put these fasteners in. You want to start them by hand to make sure you're in the hole properly. Don't just go hammering them in if you're not sure if it's lined up yet. You could damage the back of the drawer. Alright, that's one of them, and I'll do a second one. Just in case anything wasn't clear in the first drawer. Absolutely the same procedure as the first one. If you were stuck on some part of this assembly, hopefully my video today has helped you out, and if it has, give me a like and a follow. This orientation, line it up towards the middle, lean it down first, and when you stand it up, it should fit right into place. Again, you might have to slide that bottom to the left or right in the drawer front if you can't get the sides in properly. we'll put the back on again on an angle, just like that. And then when you stand it up, it's going to pop right into place. Don't go hammering those pins in unless you're sure that the holes are perfectly lined up. And that's the second drawer. Next I'll show you how to get the rails in place. So in this particular design, they have a basket at the bottom. So we're going to go the next available space up from that. If you were starting at the very bottom, you could put those down as far as you can in the wardrobe sides. If you're starting with the basket on the bottom, which seems to be pretty typical, then you want to do this kind of spacing right here. Now if you have multiple drawers like this design does, we're going to pay attention to the spacing here. And you always want to make sure those hooks on the rails are to the back. The drawers are going to slide into those hooks at the back of the rails. So the proper spacing would be 4 holes, and one's going to be partially hidden. I'll show you what that looks like here in a second. So technically you're counting 6 holes in total to the next screw, but it's 4.5 holes that's visible between the two of them. Like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, and that one partially hidden, and that's the spacing if you have multiple drawers. And we'll do the same thing on the other side. This seems to be a very common setup with these wardrobes, the basket on the bottom and then some drawers and then a shelf. Hooks to the back, they're going to hook into the back of the drawer. So technically you're counting 6 holes up, but it's 4.5 between them that you can see. Hopefully I'm not confusing you there. You can count them. Next we'll put the drawers in. Unfortunately I didn't get a close-up of underneath the drawers how they go in, but I do have a video on the way that's going to show close-up of this. So those hooks at the back of those slides are going to hook into the back of the drawers. You'll see the holes at the back of the drawers that they go into. And then you just line up the front and put in the little plastic clips that they give you to hold everything in place. Also got a video coming up for the basket installation in case you're having any kind of issues with that. So the way I do it is I hold the rails on both sides as I slide the drawer in, and I keep the rails out while the drawer slides in and to the back of those hooks. I find that's easiest. I'll make a link from this video to the one showing those clips on the bottom once I make it later today. And there's the third drawer. If you were stuck on anything today, hopefully I've helped you, and if I have, please help me and follow my channel.